अच्छा, सबसे पहले तो पूरी टीम को ट्रेलर के बाद बहुत बहुत बधाई। बहुत खूबसूरत ट्रेलर देखा हमने। उम्मीद है फिल्म से भी काफ़ी उम्मीदें लोगों को है। आप इतनी प्यारी लग रही हैं कि आपको अगर गलती से कोई गुड बाय बोलना भी चाहे तो गुड बोल के बाय अंदर ही खा जाएगा।
अरे वाह, क्या बात है।
तो हमारे आसपास बहुत ज़्यादा अगर अच्छाइयाँ हैं तो कुछ कुछ खामियाँ भी होती है। तो आपकी नज़र में फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में क्या ऐसी कोई खामियाँ जिसको हमेशा के लिए आप गुड बाय बोलना चाहेंगी?
मतलब नॉट जस्ट द इंडस्ट्री, लेकिन आई थिंक आई इफ देयर इज वन थिंग इन माय लाइफ व्हिच आई वुड लाइक टू से गुड बाय टू इज, like Bachchan sir said, COVID, first thing. Yeah. But I think
ताज़ा
but I think just I would say the negativity around us, or the negativity around anyone. I think I'm a happy, positive person, so I wish the world was also like that.
You were always a star down south, and post Pushpa, you became this national crush, national star. But
Big
usually,
words, sir.
but I'm sure the moment you find that such kind of national fame, and you're going to be flooded. I'm sure there would have been producers, writers queuing, outside your house to sign you. So I just wanted to know, how do you basically, pick a subject in, for you to make your Hindi debut? Because I'm sure you must have been flooded with, plenty of offers. So how do you basically sway away from all that euphoria, which all that noise, and decide what is best project for you to be a Hindi debut?
I think I've always picked the scripts as my gut feeling says. I just believe that what it's meant to be for me will happen to me. Like, I just feel like that's the universe way of saying it. So it's purely a gut feeling. But also, to top it off, when I heard such a script, of course, I'm in a point in my career where I'm going out there, testing my waters. I don't know what's right. I don't know what's wrong. I don't know what people are going to expect of me. I don't know what people are looking forward of me. But I feel like I'm an actor. I want to do good films. I want to have fun while I do it. It's not like for life I'm going to be, doing the same thing. One day I'm also going to die. So till when I'm till when I am able to work this happily and make such memories, I'm willing to do so. And while making such memories, might as well make everyone smile, and might as well give good memories to everyone who's watching the film. And this is so special because of the things which you're already seeing, in the trailer. So it's going to be extremely special. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
First of all, congratulations for a wonderful trailer. I want to know from you, you have been working with two veterans with a very close relationship on screen, one as a father, one as a mother. How was the experience, honestly, working with two great actors while making your grand Bollywood debut?
Honestly, I think Bachchan sir, I met him 2 years back on my birthday. I remember this because I was like, oh my God, I'm working on my birthday and I'm meeting Amitabh sir on my birthday. So I remember this day very clearly, where I just wanted to introduce myself to him. So I waited. Sir was shooting, of course, and I was waiting. I was just wanting to say hi to him. And I'm just standing like in one corner. I'm just standing like that. And Sir just walks in and he crosses and he goes. So I'm like, okay, not now. Let me go inside, try it again. Because I was out there flashing a big smile. I was like, hi, sir. And then he's like, okay, just walked. Because, of course, he's thinking about the scene, what to do in the scene and everything. And I walked in and I was like, sir, hello, Rashmika. Nice to meet you. I'm going to be playing your daughter. Okay. And I was out. Because I was so nervous. And at the same time, I had to, it's a responsibility, right? You're going to be working with the actor. So it's good to just, get each other's energy on the first day and everything. And then throughout the shooting, I remember that Bachchan sir, like every time, like initially I thought he didn't like me because he was like so strict and he was just like sitting there and he was just, we always had this banter, daughter and the father, like we always be like, what are you saying? There's no sense and ye. But I remember that I think one day just randomly when I walked into the set and everyone was like, did you see your Twitter? And I'm like, no, what happened? And they're like, Bachchan sir just posted a picture saying Pushpa. And then I was like, wait, what, that happened? Okay, when did that happen? I didn't see. But I think our relationship just got closer and closer throughout the making of the film. And him as a person is a beautiful person. So I'm just happy that I got to see that side of the legend, you know. And coming to Nina ma'am, I think the first day itself when I saw her, I just sort of like felt this happy wala vibe, you know, like I just wanted to go and chill with her. And I was a personal photographer in the set. I have so many pictures of her from the set because I was like, Nina ma'am, see, look at the camera, smile. I'm a very good photographer. Now I'll start putting them all out, of course with her permission. But
Of course.
but yeah, I think I just was so comfortable, and it was easy with Nina ma'am. It was just like both of us, and we were talking about everything under the sun. And yeah, I love you.
So I also love you. मैं प्रेस वालों को बोलना चाहती हूँ, देखिए मैं बहुत इजी हूँ, मैं डिफिकल्ट नहीं हूँ जैसा आप कई बार लिखते हैं, मैं बहुत इजी हूँ. हाँ.
She's a sweetheart. I second that. I